Looking for the best washing machine for laundry business but not sure which one to choose? With so many options available, finding the right one can be confusing. That's why we've done the research and picked the top 5 best washing machine for laundry business based on quality, features, and overall performance. For more details on each product, check the links in the description below. Now, let's get started with number 5. Number 5. COSTWAY Twin Tub Capacity, Washer and Spinner, Compact Washer with Control Knobs Portable Washing Machine. If you're used to bulky, outdated washing machines that take up half your laundry room, this one's a game changer. It's a twin tub washing machine that lets you wash and dry clothes at the same time, giving you back precious time and freeing up your hands for more important things. With independent washing and drying functions, you can choose the mode that suits your clothes, gentle, normal, or drain, and even adjust the time to 5 minutes for washing and 5 minutes for spinning. It's got a massive 18 pounds capacity for washing and 8 pounds for spinning, so you can get a whole load done in one go, even with bigger items like jeans or bed sheets. Plus, it's got a powerful 280W washing motor and 140W spinning motor, and a built-in drain pump to get rid of dirty water quickly. And the best part? It's compact and portable, so it's perfect for tiny spaces like dorms, apartments, or even camping trips. Number 4. YMXA ZM017 Mini Laundry Machine, Foldable Portable Laundry Machine. This portable washing machine is a game changer for students, young professionals, and travelers who need a convenient and hygienic way to wash their clothes on the go. Its exclusive cleaning feature keeps delicate fabrics separate from daily laundry, ensuring a gentle washing experience for underwear, socks, and baby clothes. The 16L large capacity may seem compact, but it can handle multiple small garments at once, making it perfect for dorms, apartments, or travel use. This energy-efficient machine reduces water and power consumption while maintaining strong washing performance, saving resources and money every cycle. Wherever you go, this mini portable washing machine is your reliable laundry companion, delivering fresh, clean clothes anytime, and its quiet operation makes it ideal for daily use or travel. Overall, this product stands out for its thoughtful design and ability to provide a thorough cleaning performance without making a fuss. Number 3. KOFOHON Portable Compact Washing Machine Portable Washing Machine Small Mini Hand Compact Semi-Automatic Washer Laundry Perfect. This portable washing machine truly blows away the competition with its unmatched portability. It's a game changer for anyone who's ever had to deal with the hassle of laundry on the go. Weighing in at just 5.5 pounds, it's so compact you can store it anywhere, from a closet to a deep drawer, or even toss it in a rucksack for travel. And it's not just about convenience, this mini washer is also a lifesaver for small space dwellers who want to skip the lines at the laundromat. Its simple design makes it easy to use, with just a few basic steps to get the job done, and it's surprisingly effective at cleaning even the toughest stains. What really sets it apart though, is its strong washing capacity. It can handle up to 6.5 pounds of clothes at a time, making it perfect for quick washes on the fly. And let's not forget about the time-saving aspect. With a 15-minute cycle, you can be sipping your coffee while this little machine does the dirty work. Overall, it's a solid 4-star product that's definitely worth considering if you're in the market for a compact, portable washer. Number 2. CBestuygo Mini Washing Machine Underwear Washing Machine. I'm giving this portable washing machine a solid 4-star rating, and here's why I'm loving it. It's a total game changer for people who are always on the go, like travelers, campers, and even busy parents who need to wash delicate baby clothes. This thing is splash-proof, compact, and comes with a massive 4,000 mAh battery, so you can take it anywhere and use it anytime, no worries about cords or power outlets. Plus, it's got a super cool LED digital touch screen that shows you how much power you've got left and which mode you're in. It's so easy to use. And the best part? It's got 2 washing modes, a quick 5-minute cycle and a longer 15-minute one, perfect for getting tough stains out of clothes. And let's not forget about the gentle imitation hand scrubbing and blue light sterilization. It's like having a mini laundry spa in your hands. It's perfect for washing baby clothes, underwear, and even delicate socks. Number 1. Giantex Full Automatic Washing Machine. Compared to most washing machines on the market, this combo unit stands out for its ability to wash and dry clothes in one single tub, achieving a decent 80% drying result. It also offers a spacious capacity of up to 8.8 pounds, making it perfect for large families or those who like to do laundry in bulk. Operating the washer is a breeze, with 10 different washing modes, 5 water levels, and a timer, all easily accessible on the control panel. I appreciate the humanized top-load lid, which lets you check on your clothes at any time, and the adjustable bottom feet ensure the washer stays balanced and vibration-free. The compact size and lightweight design make it ideal for small spaces like apartments or dorms, and the energy-saving features will help you save money on your utility bills. Overall, this washer is a great choice for anyone looking for a convenient, easy-to-use solution for their laundry needs. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, the links to grab these picks are right in the description below, so be sure to check them out. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our next review. See you in the next one.